So we've got our child window with keep view visible, and we can see that it's all working nice and well, but we want to actually embed it in our own window. We want it to be over here and within our controller. Well, how would we do that? Now, this is just setting a few properties on the phone. Let's see how to do that. So A, we'll go to the show orders view and resize our grid to leave some room for it. B, we need to figure out the position where we want to put it. So this is actually a bit tricky, but let's do that. I'm going to place this button over here, look at the properties and see its location. I can see the location is 3 by 208. Great, I'll copy it or try to remember it, and I'll put it back in place. And then in the show orders detail screen, I'm going to tell it that A, it's a child window. Child window. True. And its location is the one we've just copied, which is 3.208. X3, Y208. Let's run this. And we can see that it's working great. It just, we need to do some resizing because it's too big for us, but we can see exactly where it is. So let's resize it accordingly. Let's make it a bit smaller. But the benefit of making it a child window is it actually goes around with our parent phone. So it's actually just like a subphone, but an older version of a subphone. Now, this is quite ugly that we have all the phone properties and title and this over here, so we can actually remove that. And we'll do that by setting 2 more properties, which are, let's see, never remember these ones, but let's see, title bar, I think. We want to have title bar false, and we want to have border none, and that way we can get it to look just like it is, as if it was part of our parent controller, and then we can actually give it a bit more width, and we will. So we'll get rid of our scroll bar, and that would look a bit nicer. Okay, just as if it was a part of the parent phone. So we are actually embedding the child controller phone in the parent controller phone using the child window property and the border property and title bar property.